It's exactly that. It's a little bit Europe, it's a little bit Scandinavia, a little bit Turkey, a lot of New York, a little bit Brazil, because I go a lot to Brazil. It's kind of like a mixture, but within that mixture, I think I found myself. To mix my life and music, it's been a struggle always to move to America, to live in New York, to build a life in another country, have a father from Turkey, mother Swedish, mixing cultures. But it's been a natural development. Musically, I think my music always been a flavor of Europe, Scandinavia, a lot of New York, because I've been in New York for 35 years. And always some influence from Turkey, because I play a lot in Turkey. I had a few points. When I moved to America, I was not sure actually. I went to America to study music, but even when I studied music, I was not sure if music was going to be my whole life. And then for a few years, I was very into only jazz. And then slowly I got into I'm going to be a musician, I think. But then I remember there was one day, I think it was 1998, 99, when I decided to do my music. And not to play jazz standard, American jazz, or because usually jazz you imitate other players to become yourself. But there was one day I remember I woke up and I said, I'm only going to do my music. I mean, Sandra is one of my influences. It's not the only one, of course, but I think it's to be brave and to be courageous and not afraid to go to new places. Like, for example, today I don't know what I'm going to play. For example, I'm going to listen, always listening deep inside, and then you play. It's kind of like almost like you make a painting from scratch when I play. I never come ready. You always start with one color, you add another color, you add another color, you try to find a new picture that is related to you, but it also makes sense to you.